today's video, I have a quick Coach Outlet haul. I was on both the Coach website and the Coach Outlet haul just to see if they had anything coming in for Valentine's Day. And they both did, but the bag that I liked better was from Coach Outlet. And this is their Heart Crossbody and Signature Canvas with the heart petal print. And then I did also pick up the bear charm to go along with it. So I'm going to open this up. And I will apologize in advance for any clearing of my throat. I am not feeling the best, and I was actually debating on whether or not I want to film this, but I am just wanting to see my new bag. Y'all know how that goes. But like I said, the Coach website itself had a really cute bag that had the heart print. I love Valentine's Day, and I love Valentine's Day not necessarily because I'm a red lover, because I'm not, but simply because I love hearts. I love Valentine's Day, and I really celebrate my kids more than basically like myself and my husband. We actually celebrate the kids for Valentine's Day. So I guess you could say this was a early Valentine's Day gift for my husband. I love this bag. This is so cute. All right. Now, I'm going to give you some descriptions, or a description of the bag, I guess you could say. This is the signature coated canvas in cross grain leather. It does have 2 credit card slots, a double zip closure, a top handle with a 2-inch drop, and it does have the detachable strap with a 22.5-inch drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. It is 6 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in width. Okay. So if you need a review of any of that, just go ahead and rewind that tidbit. All right, let's see. I'm glad that it is well packaged. I love it. So you get the little dog tag, the Coach dog tag with it. Now, this is actually the second option that they have. They do have this in a red and pink option. It's called the color block, and that one was really cute. What I did notice between this one and that one, besides the fact that this one does cost more, is that that one also has, with the Coach dog tag, you do get a gold heart that I saw in all of the pictures. Now, when they sent the email out, it had the little bear attached to it in the pink color block. I didn't see this one on the Coach Outlet website until it was closer to release. And then I saw this color option, which I was really happy about because I love the pink and red one. I think it's really cute. It's perfect for Valentine's. But this for me is just perfect for all year round. So this is what it looks like on the front. Here you have the back. And then, like I said, you do get 2 zip closures. And I'll take all of this out. I don't want to mess it up too much because I do save this stuff. I will be switching my bag out so that I can go ahead and wear this one because, well, you know, 'tis the season. Okay, the inside. And, oh, I'm recording with my phone, so I can't even check to see if my iPhone will fit in there, but I'm sure it will. I'm looking at it. I don't see why it would not fit in here. And then let me take all of this out. And then here are the 2 credit card slots that you get. Okay. And I do apologize if the lighting switched up on us. My lighting can be a little bright, but I love that. Okay. Anything else? No, I don't think anything else. And this isn't like so tight that you can't get your hand in here. And you know, sometimes I know with certain shaped purses, it's like this much space to kind of like get your hand in there. No, this opens up very nicely so you can get your wallets in there. I love this. So you really could just carry this just like this little handbag, or you can go ahead and put the detachable strap on it, which is what I'm actually going to do. Okay. As you can tell, it was packaged nicely, so that makes me happy. All right, I'm gonna put this back in here. I love the chain detailing, so cute. So it makes it where it can be like a fancy handbag, or this kind of makes it a little more casual with the chain. I love that so much. I love, as soon as I saw the chain detailing, I'm like, yeah, definitely want that cutie. And I just cannot get over the heart. And I love this print. I do like the dark brown multi-print from Coach. Okay. And then I'm going to open up my little bear charm to go on it. And this is the gold true pink, I guess it is for this one. The little bear. Oh, this is so cute. And this has definitely some weight to it. And I feel like on the website you couldn't really see the details, but this has like, it looks like little AB eyes. Really cute. I didn't even pay attention to that detailing. And then you have the little envelope that says Coach. And this definitely is a weighted little bear. So I love this charm, and I will probably reuse it on my other Coach bags that I have. So I'm going to stick this on here. And when I put my charms on, I just basically stick it on the same side as the dog tag. That is so cute. I will most likely not attach anything else to it, but I will probably take that little key ring off. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I don't see me keeping this key ring on, but everything else, like the little bear, I will keep on. Okay, I wanted to come back with some information. After I finished filming this, I was just switching out purses and checking a couple things. First off, if you have any of the Pro Max cell phones, the iPhone Pro Max phones, they will not fit in here. I have the 12 Pro Max and it will not fit. So if you have the smaller iPhones, you should be fine. But the 12 Pro, 13 Pro, any of those Pro Maxes will not fit. Another thing is I had to go through my different wallets just to see what would fit. And typically for my purses, these are the size wallets I will have, which I believe this is a large and is considered a medium. I had to find one of my old Michael Kors wallets, and that fit in here perfectly fine. And I just want to show you with my phone case that it is not going to fit in here. So that's the only downfall I would say. Now, there are some workarounds. If you're like me and you carry your phone in your hand, then I guess it wouldn't really matter. If I'm wearing jeans, I can just put my phone in my back pocket or ask my husband to hold on to it. And have him put it in his pants or his jacket if I'm out with him. If you have a date, same thing. It really just depends. You know, there's workarounds. This isn't going to be a typical everyday bag. This is definitely going to be a outing type of bag. I always have my watch on anyhow, and then I always wear my AirPods. So, I mean, it's really up to you, but if you're looking to purchase this bag, I just wanted to let you know since I had an opportunity to play around with it. Also, I have my all my keys down in the bottom, and then I was able to fit a lotion and then my AirPods case. I could still technically fit some chapstick down in here and probably one or two other small things depending on what it is that you want to or need to put in here. With this side, like I said, you could do your two slots. So if you don't really need to carry a full wallet, but you wanted to maybe carry some cash, your license, a debit or credit card, then you can do that. It's really just up to you to determine how, when, and why you would carry this bag and what you would actually wear it for. Hopefully that information helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a gorgeous day, dollar smooches. Mwah. Bye.